Guys, so today I am downstairs. You might be able to hear the telly, and I'm showing you my brother's Nerf gun that he got today. So, this is where all the bullets go. This is his favourite thing. Is that better? You spin that, put that in. Then, what you do is, you pull this. So, and you hear it click, listen, and then look at the floor. Whoa, big. Proper Nerf strand down. Second Nerf gun, he's collected. Proof of its proper Nerf. Elite, and he is getting a new one for Christmas. If you like this, if I get over 10 likes, I will show you all my Nerf guns. So, I think you'd like to see them, but I'm not sure. Here's my face! Bye guys, I'll just show you his Iron Man box thing as well. Now you see it. No, you don't. Oh yeah, you do. Sorry about that guys, that didn't go to plan. That never happened. That never happened. Currently downstairs, yes. Not done many videos downstairs ever. One of my first ones. If I get 5 each, 50 subscribers, I'll do a house tour. A house tour. So I'll show you all around my house. And I'll show you all up the street. If I get to 25, I'll do a tour of upstairs. When I get 50, I'll do all around the house. Oh, let me show you these guinea pigs. Oh, come on, Sally. Behind you, Sally. My brother, these are my brothers. Well, one of them's mine, one of them's my brothers. Mine's this big furry one, and he called his Fluffy, so he picked the name for mine as well. And there is Fluffy, my brothers. My brothers. I will clean the cage in a minute, guys. 100 subs. I'll show you these running around free. Not in a guinea pig ball and nothing. So, Sally! Bye guys, and bye from Sally and Fluffy.